Hey guys, welcome back to L3DP Garage, and today we're going to talk about this K2 named Ariel. She's a K2 Plus and she's got some things going on that need some attention. So question for you guys is, do you have this same thing going on, and have you gotten it fixed? So let's go ahead and jump right into it. We take this rail and we see the hot end. It's supposed to stay still when we move it back and forth. Well, it's not. It's supposed to do this without making those jumping sounds. So we have actually had this same thing happen, and Creality ended up just going ahead and saying, hey, we're going to replace it because that whole rail has failed. Well, this is the same thing, but the difference is they're not really working with us after about a month, and we have tried to get them to understand that this is the same issue that we had before. So if we have two printers that are having this issue, I bet you guys have had an issue like this too. So if you have, post it down in the comments how many people have actually had this issue, because I really would like to know that I'm not the only one. Even though I print hours and hours and hours, I think this machine has, this one has 5,000 hours on it. So, but we're going on a month here and we've yet to get this same exact issue fixed. So that's why I'm asking, how many of you guys have had this same rail failure? Get your printers fixed, or maybe you haven't. Right now they're fighting us on getting it fixed, even though we know, and they should know by looking at previous tickets, that this rail is failed. But anyways, I'll let you guys know after I send this video to them what they come up with and how long it takes them to actually fix this. So this is just one of our 5 printers that we have, our K2. So we've got 5 K2 Pluses and we have 4 Ender 5 Maxes. We've got the Elegoo here, we've got the Elegoo here, and we've got the Bamboo H2C and our Ender 5 Maxes. So we've got a lot of Creality products, as well as our Raptor X scanner that came in this box here. And over the last 10 years I have owned between 20 and 30 printers. So you would think maybe that partnership over time would mean something and they would keep track of such history, but they don't. And every time you get a hold of them, they treat you like you're brand new and you don't know anything, and it gets kind of aggravated. And I bet you guys have dealt with that too. So if you have, go ahead. I want to hear your guys' stories. Post them down below. But until next time, peace.